You like this store, don't you? I see that big old kitty smile. Oh, he's smiling. Look at that big old kitty smile. You want to see the fish, or are you finished? Would you like to see the fish, or you done? You want to stay here? You like it here, huh? You lit up as soon as we came in here, Nieve. So make sure you go and subscribe and see all the latest and greatest of your favorite handsome kitty baby, which is on his new channel, Nieve Tigre Mama Kitty Baby.